where is the our this thing as well. So very basic 2-3 labs we will do it. That will give you a comfort on the VI editor. So today is 09/06. You are doing the lab number 1. What you will do it? You will say first you will do open a file using VI editor. So what you will type it? The step is you will type VI and the file name. Okay. You will give the file name. Then to go in insert mode, press I. I will take you to the insert mode. Then type following. Okay, you will type some line 1, line 2, like that. You will type it 2, 3, couple of things. Line 3. Now go to the normal mode. Now you will go to the normal mode by pressing escape key. After that, to save the file, to save and exit, to save and exit from the file, you will press :WQ. Steps are clear to everyone. Labs steps are clear to everyone. Yes, no in the chat. Nano is Notepad++. VI is Notepad. It is the editors. Features wise, it's a difference. Nano is another. See, it's a multiple vendors are there. Like you can use VI, you can use Nano. Nano is little bit user friendly compared to VI. But mostly Nano, you will not find many Linux system. You will not find Nano. VI is by default everywhere. That's the reason we cover VI. Nano you will find in all the VI you will find in all the system. There is no guarantee Nano will be there in each and every Linux distribution. I connect to the VM, na? I power on the VM and connect it. Then only I did it. Vim is the VI extension. Vim is by default not there. Vim is the VI extension. Will show again. Okay. Note step by step. Okay, I'll create a file. First of all, for those who have cleared the steps, they can perform the labs. Others just see it again. Okay, because this must be clear to you. Others should be seeing other first like in extension. We will be using it. Currently, we are learning the file creation. Extension we will use it. Don't forget. We will be creating the extension. Currently, we are learning how to use VI. Okay, you can use that is the file extension. So like you will create a file like I said training file. I am giving VI and file name. File name can be with extension, without extension, doesn't matter. VI will behave same. For you, you put .c, .java, anything, doesn't matter. For VI, this is the file. You enter it. This is the file. This is the normal mode. In the normal mode, if I type something, it will not work. In the normal mode, if I type something, it will not work. You need to press I. You will go in the VI editor, press I. Sorry. You press I. I will enable the insert mode. Bottom, you can see it. Insert mode means now if I type it, it will take my code. It is my code. Okay. Now what is, I need to come out from the insert mode to the normal mode. How will you come out? You press escape. After that, you want to save the file. You press colon. Bottom left hand side, you see colon. Then you press WW for save the changes. Q is save the changes and close the file. Hope this is clear now. See, editor wise, you can use anything. Hardly matter you use Nano VI. What matter is what you're writing in the file. See, what matters in the Notepad is if I open a Notepad or Notepad++, what matters is the content. It doesn't matter how you open the file, whether you use Nano, you use VI, you use Vim. For other party, what is matter is what is there in the file. They don't see that, okay, whether you know Nano or whether you are working on VI. It is simple that thing. The content is important. Focus on the content. We are learning VI because I need to teach you one thing, and which is the default one. Nano thing is that, okay, Nano may available, may not be available, because Nano is not the default editor. VI is the default editor. You need to go to the launch the VM now, otherwise how will you do it? In the Linux, you need to do the practical, so you need to launch the VM. AWS EC2 VM, you need to launch it, go to the console and do the things. Yes, that has to be done, surely. Yes, through the instance you need to use it. Yes, absolutely right. Nikhil, you are right. Priyanka also, you are also need to do the same thing. You need to start your EC2 instance, connect it, and then you will be performing this lab. See guys, Nano also you can use it. You want lab for Nano, I will share it. Main objective is the third party will see your code. They will not see which editor you have used it. You can use Nano, you can use VI, you can use Vim. Your comfort should be there. They will see the code. They will not see how you open. See, I open the file in Notepad, or I can open a file in Notepad plus plus also. Depending on that, Notepad has some basic feature, Notepad plus plus has some advanced feature. But what is matter here is the writing of the code. Correct? Because I am doing the code writing. So if you are writing the code, the important part is the code. For other parties, this is the code only which will be, they will be asking it. Max to max, they will ask you that which editor you are comfortable with. You can say I am comfortable with VI editor. How to save a file, how to open a file, definitely they will ask it. Okay. So that is your comfort level. Nano also you can use it. Nano is little bit user friendly, but point here is if I will give you a Linux system where Nano is not there, then you don't have the choice. You need to use VI only. VI is by default there. It is simple. Like, do you install Notepad in your Linux Windows system? No, Notepad is by default there. Do you install Notepad plus plus? Yes, answer is there, because Notepad plus plus is not by default there in the system. So what is important is the one which is by default coming in the operating system. Correct? Hopefully now we are clear. Using VI editor, we don't need to go AWS. No, you need to go to the AWS console. VI editor, you can use it in the instance directly, or using SSH also you can use it. That is your choice. SSH is what? SSH is the remote connectivity to your Linux instance. Okay. SSH is the remote connectivity. It is like I am connecting your instance remotely. That is SSH.